We'll continue with our project session. If you see this particular model here, we have applied all the conditions which we learned, like the draft, other different cases that will primarily apply. This is the particular case where we have considered the boss and pads and applied the draft. So primarily, if you see, you have simple a base to extrude. You have added one rectangular pad with the dialogs control like the length, width, and the height and corner radius. This is the first one. Then you created a boss, the simple thing which you can create through extrude also. Then we applied the tapper to this. If you see the draft here from plane, the vector is upward and stationary plane is this one and face to draft is this one, and you applied certain values to control this, maybe 25, and after that you applied the blend to these edges. This is the project 1, and in our coming projects we will see how to apply other conditions. In this project we will also look into the cases which we have considered, the base feature we constructed, then we added the feature, then we applied the blend, then we applied the hole, then we mirrored it, then we again applied the contour boards and have done the patterns. And in this coming project also the same features and concept are applied. The first you create the base feature, then added the second feature, then you created the grooves, then you added the next feature, and in this way you continue and you get your project done. If you look into this particular case, here we have applied the mirror features, the one which we saw, an array, rectangular array for these instances where you have typical controls like the numbers. If you see the particular instances, here you have the number as 2 and 2, and these are the offset distance with respect to the direction x and y. So this directly you can apply and control over your projects. In this particular case also you can see the same feature controls have been arranged from scratch. Initially you created this, then added the cylindrical feature, then again you added the extrude cut, then you have done a pad, or directly you can do this extrude as well. Again you have added another pad, you have blended this, and finally you have done the pocket. This is the final one which you have placed a cylindrical pocket. And couple of exercises are also there for your practice where you can apply this array, draft, and other features which we learned. Here you can see the draft is applied over this edge. In this particular case also this is the mirror, this is also mirror features which directly you can apply to control. And you can take a couple of more examples from the industrial drawing book by Warren A. Lujader and many other books you can see, and you can directly practice it, or if you have your own industry you can directly consider your component and you can test it. Thank you.